Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Völsong and I will show you how to install the ventricular reconstruction pipeline as a Blender add-on. So we have our files here, I hope you downloaded it already. And for the installation, the first thing you need to have is a Blender 3.1 and also Python. And for Python you also need to have pip, which is then used to install packages like BPY, Open3D and Number. BPY is the Blender Python environment, Open3D is used for Poisson surface reconstruction, and Number is to run things at machine speed. So we just copy paste these commands and then put it into our Python console. So just upgrade pip. For me it's already satisfied because I just did it for this video. Then we also install our packages individually, so BPY, Open3D, and also Number. That was a mistake. Number, not Open3D. Exactly. Okay. Now since we installed our packages, next we want to run Python Blender with Python environment variables. For that we can use, for example, PowerShell, which is Windows console. You want to change the directory of to your Blender environment, so the location where you installed Blender, and then go into the main folder. Then you want to use this command blender.exe Python environment that we use, the Python system environment, to run Blender with the packages that we just installed. And then we want to install some packages inside the Blender Python console. So for that we want to copy all of this. We open the blend file that is provided in the repository. So we choose that. Then we have our Python console down here and our info box, which we don't really need. So we can enlarge this for now. Then we can paste our commands. As you can see here, that there is a problem running our commands this way because our output is 0. So we have to actually, so if the output is 0, we have to use these commands here. So you just copy paste these ones and you try it like this. This will take a second. And yeah, this is not a problem, it's just a warning. So everything's looking okay. And then we want to, if we want to install our add-on, we have to go to Edit, Preferences, and then here in Add-ons, and the add-on is called Geometrical Parts Reconstruction. Currently it's already installed, so I just remove it just for demonstration purposes. So now what we want to do is we want to go to Install. Then you select this Python file, which is the Python file you can see here. It's from the repository, so we just do that. You can see here version author. You have to check here, and now you have all the panels from the add-on ready to go. So that was my little introduction how to install the add-on for Blender.